we enable marketers to reach the people who matter most and to activate their connections and their influence across the web. We all know that social media and the social web is really fueled by the engagement of people around shared interests and their connections with each other. But the big problem with the ad industry is it's page-based. It's ignoring the person, their network, and really how engaged they are passively and actively in the web. We are the first targeting network designed for the social web. We do two things, and we think we do it pretty well. We take social graph data, the connections between people. We understand the predictive likelihood of being a viral propagator or a brand influencer, and we combine that with engagement data. That is the active and passive engagement of people in the web. What are they, to get to category interest, to get to context. So what we offer is we offer everything from broad category interest all the way up to brand influencers and viral targeting. Marketers come to us, they use our capability to get unique targeting to reach these people. They get back social insights on their community and on the people they're trying to reach. Publishers, social media companies, bloggers, they give us social data, other data and inventory. We help them increase the value of that inventory, and we give them insights on their audience. I haven't seen a publisher yet that doesn't believe that their audience is more valuable than they're currently getting credit for. So what we offer are three products. We have an advertising product, we have a publisher product, and we're in development on some consumer applications so people can actually track how influential they are, fueled by our algorithms, all fueled by our database. I'm going to share two things today. I'm going to share our publisher tool, which shows you how we actually segment audiences and what the data we give the publishers, and then I'll share the advertising tool, which tells you how we make this actionable for marketers. So, first thing, this is our social insights application, and let's say I have an email or an IM community here. One of the things that we get, and I think is really powerful, is we actually get a view of the social graph. So this is a map of the social graph showing the areas where there's increased likelihood for brand influencers or viral propagators. We can also, if we have message volume, we can actually understand where people are communicating with each other across the US and seeing where the strong bonds are between people. We take data like this to actually aggregate who's most influential. So we look at buddy count, for example, strong ties, how many inbound, how many outbound messages you have. We also have a viral score and a promoter score that we're indexing on. So I switch now and I'll take a look. That was an IM or email network. This is now a social network. This is a Weight Watchers group of about 7,000 people. And we can see how connected they are. This is actually network components. This is the network backbone. How many people are in isolated subgroups of 2 to 10 people or unconnected. We also have, of course, demographic data. And the demographic data is really important. And this is educational data. You can see that data. You can see the marital status of the people in that group. It can even also show the commenting analysis. So for publishers, if you're actually doing social media marketing, you don't want to do just one campaign. You want to show where there's engagement like this, and in this case, a Weight Watchers community where people are spending 13%, are coming back giving 5 or more messages. This is a reason why you should spend more and have more ongoing engagement in that case. On this side, so that's the publisher tool. This is the audience builder. This is what we give to a marketer. So a marketer here can come and they can actually research, see the same kind of data I just showed you. You can build your audience. You can plan and buy through our interface and track and optimize. So here we actually we'll select a build and let's check a viral campaign. So we can actually start to pull together the audience. We pull together the people that are most likely to be viral propagators with an index score over 100. We'll select, let's say, entertainment, film, and music, and we can see the size of the people in that community. We can go to consumer electronics, perhaps Apple, and you can select them as well and see that size of the community. We've now switched to brand influencers. Brand influencers are people that we've got 4 easy categories. So this is people that are general interests, enthusiasts, mavens, and ambassadors. And I think one of the easiest things that we're doing is making it easy to buy across different social media where we're measuring engagement. And so this is how we would track brand influencers. So from a timing standpoint, we're launching we're soft launching at the end of June with some charter partners and some charter advertisers. We're excited about that. We're going to full launch in September, at the end of September. These are the categories we're looking at, and how we looked at the categories was looking at how connected that customer is, compared to the viral nature of the product or service and bringing that together. So we'll finish just with a little bit about us. My background, I was running Ogilvy Interactive for North America for the past 4 years, and I ran the digital media planning and buying business. My partner was Director of Business Development at Yahoo Finance. And our technology team has got a deep background in social network algorithm development and ad system design. And I think those two things, coming together really make us the preeminent solution for social media monetization and activation across the web.